Alright, you can see a nice wooden canvas here. This is a solid wood but some irregular shapes, and we're going to do the acrylic paint. So first of all, we're just going to draw a house in the middle. So let's draw the front door or the entry here. You can see this is the entry of the front door. So you can see some shades on the door. Okay, all right. And it's going to be a bigger house, so that's why we're just putting one wings like this one, another wings like this one. Okay, and those two wings just having two types of piece roof on two sides. This is just extending on the right side. Here you can see the extensions and the graphics of the piece roof on top of the outlines. I'm just putting the few brush strokes here. Okay, and going to draw another piece roof in these orientations. So let's put the color. All right, and putting the brush strokes like the same parallel line, lots of lines from the same origin on the top, and the drawing is going to be the piece roof once again. Awesome. Okay, and here just putting few lines on the top. You can see just drawing like this. All right, in the bottom we're going to do the parts later. Let's change the color a little bit and putting the vertical lines here. Okay, and drawing the straight lines like this. Other straight lines like this here. Okay, so the yellow color is just mixing up with the previous color here. Okay, just forming the outlines, nice outlines for the house here. Just see lots of strokes here for the houses. Putting here, and in this point you can see some verticals and the horizontals. Okay, so graphics is almost done, and just we are connecting these 2 points here. Okay, and drawing the second label or the second layer on the top, the special tower design on top of the previous borders, you can see. Okay, just drawing. On top. Okay, and going to put the pitched roof here. Just like the pyramid, So there's going to be a little bit pyramid structure. Okay, all right, so there's a special design. Now you can put the railings on the top like this. Okay, drawing the vertical lines. This is the details. Okay, putting the details. Here you can see the details. Okay, so railings are on top of the house. Just we're going to add little bit different color for the rooftop. Just putting few shadows. Okay, just like the shadows here for a nice outline. Okay, so there's a little bit variations of the colors. Okay. So you can see it looks good. All right, and putting the front door like this one, you can see the nice graphics. Okay, and here you can put the staircase coming to the bottom. Okay, you can see the stairs. Okay, you can see the stairs. Just drawing the lines ups and downs. Okay, taking some water and just diffusing it on the side. Okay, all right, and a few drops you're just putting here for the threading. And you can draw a tree behind it, just putting the light green color. At the back, just drawing like this one. All around the houses. This is how you put the greeneries in the back. Okay, just taking the color and putting the greeneries just diffused in all over the canvas. That's like the abstract painting. So that's the good thing about the acrylic color. You can use the water and drawing the greeneries as you like. And we can use a little bit yellow color with the previous color to show some highlighted parts on the top and in some parts of the greeneries. Okay, so highlighting the special parts. adding little bit water to show the ups and downs of the trees and the tree lines. Okay, also putting some lines here on the ground. Awesome. So it's a house, just you can see here, with a nice background, lots of greeneries, and a bigger house. I hope you like the painting. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.